Now we're going to start with first presenter, which is the captain. So we're waiting for you.
Good day, everybody, our coaches and participants. My name is Abadu Promise. I would like to present our cover list, which also entails our innovation project and our robot design. Starting with discovery. We discovered a lot during this year's masterpiece session. Also, in our robot design, we discovered that we could make our robots in a cubic shape, which allows you to move freely on the table. In part of our extensions, we discovered that these extensions are easy to slide in and out, and then choose it. Also, we discovered we make use of PID coding, which is proportional integral derivative, which allows the robot to return to its original position after it has been displaced. In a case where the robot is moving and displaces, it has the ability to go back to its original position. Then, impact. All these have had numerous impacts in our daily lives. Starting with the extensions. This one looks like a ball digger. It has the ability to go up and come down by turning this. Also, this looks like a bulldozer wrecker by going down and up. Now, the impact of our innovation on society at large. Our innovation, which is the hologram 3D format, it has the ability to show pictures in 3D. Now, drawings on the wall, we see them as 2D, but this will show it as 2D. The impact on the society. In the area of business, imagine a marketer wants to show his product and the product isn't available. You can make use of this in a bigger scale to show the customers how the product looks like. Also, we know the popular company Coca-Cola. They made an advertisement in Zurich Main Station, and guess what? 18,000 people participated, and they gave out 250,000 samples of Coca-Cola. Teamwork. We work as individuals to bring in ideas, and then work as a team to choose the best. Fun. We have fun whenever we achieve whatever we want to do, and which is a very important thing in our core values. Inclusion. We make sure that we included everybody without excluding anybody by giving out works, and everybody has to reach the timeline. Our innovation project is based on a 3D performance using light source and a recording media. With this now, you can save up to $300 by making this with simple materials such as a bone and a glass and the peripherals, which are the casing. In conclusion, our innovation project is a 3D model which allows visual representation of pictures. Thank you.
There's something I want to ask. I have a question. It's okay. I have a question. In this innovation project, please can you just tell me what does this innovation project made up of?
Okay. First of all,
what is the thing that is behind this technology?
yes,
Because you are creating, you are showcasing art with technology.
yes,
What is that? What will you call the technology that you have used for this?
as I stated earlier during the course of my presentation, I stated that for our innovation project, we need a light source and a recording medium. So we discovered that when you place a glass at an angle of 45 degrees, it tends to reflect the image. So now, with a glass, which I'm touching right now, and peripherals, we made the peripherals from straw boards, cartons, and then gluing them together and placing the glass at 45 degrees. When you place the light source here, you tend to see the image on the light source. So that's how we're able to make our 3D hologram effect.
It's okay. And now, okay? Are you telling me all this idea, you just made it on your own? You just got it on your own from your brain just like that? Or how?
Ideas from sources like Mr. Inu, hologram articles that have been written all over the internet, and various sources. Also, we got an hologram idea from a company which make researches on hologram.
I want a credible source. Can you give me a credible source?
Okay.
A scholarly credible source that I will know. Mr. Yes, it's a credible source. But I want more again, because I believe we have gone to a lot of places now on the internet to get ideas about this.
Okay, working both personally and as a group, we read different articles based on holograms. One written by Mr. J. Ali, of which he stated that holograms are dated back in 1948, and so the first to make hologram was in Gabon.
It's okay. Yes, go ahead.
Good day, sir. Good day, coaches. My name is Suleiman Limaya. I'm here to the group. My name is Suleiman Limaya. I'm here to represent Federal Government College, Angels Robotics and I'm here to defend my core values, and I'm also here to talk about deeply about my core values, that is discovery, innovation, coding, robot design and attachment, and inclusion and fun. First of all, let me start with coding and discovery. We discovered that hologram can be used for many purposes, like security, advertisement, and medical purposes. For example, if a doctor needs to take a closer look at someone's hand, he can just use an image of someone's arm seen in the camera to get a detailed view. And we also discovered that hologram was first invented and developed by a man named Dennis Gabor in 1948. Coding. In our coding, we use PID, proportional integral derivative, to code programs for driving gyro sensors heading to 0 degrees. Robot design and attachment. Our robot design consists of 2 movement motors, 1 motor for extension, and gyro sensor, which is the hub.
I like that description. Yes.
Go ahead. And we made our robot in a cubic shape so that it will be suitable, stronger, and powerful for the extensions. Attachment. Our attachment, we use passive and active attachment. That is, the first extension, if you look at it, you think that it is a bulldozer that is used for demolition and building of houses. And the second extension, which is active, if you look at it, you think that it is a bowl driller that is for building bowls at homes. Teamwork. We combine our brains to select the best innovation project and robot design and attachment. Inclusion. From the beginning to the end, we accept everybody as a team member and accept their ideas. Fun. We celebrate when our extension did the mission, but we do not let the celebration make us overconfident of what we are doing.
Good. Now I have a question here. Can you just tell us what technology is still behind this innovation project? We call them hologram, right?
Yes, sir.
What kind of technology do you use there on your own understanding?
So, light source and recording media.
Yes, I like that. That is good response. Light sensors, recording media, and what?
Smart mirrors.
What do you call that?
Smart mirrors.
Okay, smart mirrors. Okay. That is the technology behind this. And that is what I'm looking for. That is the 3 technology that are behind this innovation project. Because they will ask you that. Because they are trying to say you convince art with use of technology. So what is that technology? What is that techniques that you use in converting that art to technology? So I believe I'm okay with that.
I'm going to present the 6 core values, including robot design, coding, and innovation. Firstly, I'm going to start with discovery. Discovery is the process of finding information of a place or an object, especially for the first time. Object and image filed into on computer into this slide give less detailed information, but give detailed information in 3D slides. Secondly, innovation. This innovation project is the result of the team of proposing the technical and production team. We make our business foundation from the source, like Mr. Hino got idea about innovation, Zeka got idea about mobile design, and Stephanie got idea about holograms. Thirdly, impact. Hologram is to develop smart mirrors, which make it easier for us to find what we are looking for without asking anybody, such as locating place in airport, using public facilities, etc. Fourthly, inclusion. We welcome and celebrate this solution of every team member as a settlement among us, doing innovation projects, robot design, and attachment for all suites for the nation. Fourthly, all know what teamwork is all about. Teamwork, we all know what teamwork is all about. Teamwork is when a group of people put ideas and put their hands together to achieve and successfully achieve their ideas. Firstly, fun. We welcome and celebrate each solution from each of our team members as a part of celebration. Each team members work hard very well and we all celebrate solutions. Fourthly, coding. Coding, we use our PID, proportional integral derivational. Coding program where yes sensors maintain the straight movement to achieve our mission.
Yes, that's good presentation. Very fast. Very fast. Well, I want to know, what did you say you discovered in your innovation project?
We discovered that this innovation project helps us to watch videos, like sensors and other, and it also develops smart mirrors.
You develop some smart mirror. Good. Do you think, okay, you know that when you discover something, there must be a problem before you discover it now, right? Now you are trying to bring solution to a problem, all right? What do you think is the problem that you are discovering? What is the problem that we discover about image or anything that you want to project?
The problem that we discover is from the 2D, like it will give us information, but when we use 3D, like it gives us pictures on 3D.
It's okay, yes, good. 2D problem, 3D solution. It's okay. Okay. With regard to the robot, how did you come about this robot like this? Why is it too big like that? Are you sure this thing can perform here?
Yes, sir. We made it too big because to perform each mission that are there without any problem. When it's small, it's not be able to perform it all because when it's too wide, it's able to perform without any distraction.
Okay, now, do you think that when this robot is performing mission here and that there is obstruction on the way, do you think he can be able to perform that mission again?
Yes, sir.
What about if it is smaller?
Even when it is smaller, it will begin to go straight to the point. It will not be able to be comfort, it depends on itself. But when it's bigger, it will be going to relax and be comfort.
Okay. Do you think do you believe in this proverb? When your robot is big, it's easily that any attachment you put on top, he can be able to accept.
Yes, sir.
What about when it is small?
When it's small, it begins to have some issues.
Will he, with regard attachment, when it is small, can he be able to accommodate any type of extension?
No, sir, because it's not standing on its own.
Good, I like that. You can't stand on its own.
And Ibrahim Darawia by JS from SS3D from Angel Power Robotics Club. I'm here to defend our core values. Firstly, let me start from discovery. We discovered that when data is displayed in 2D, it does not give detailed information. But when it is displayed in 3D, it gives more information and it's detailed and it's accurate. Then we move to our robot design. We discovered that if we build our robot design, if we build our robot in a cubic shape, it will be able to enter any angle on the mat and perform each of our missions perfectly. Then we have coding. In our coding, we use PID, which is proportional integral derivative, to code our missions. Because we discovered that with this PID, our robots, no matter the way we turn it and that, it will come back to correct itself and move in a straight line to perform all our missions perfectly. Then we move to inclusion. We include each team member's ideas and work on each ideas they bring, and we finally got solutions to all our missions. Then we have innovation. We got
we got our ideas from different sources like Mr. Hilego Robotics, Mr. Hino for innovation. Then we got idea about hologram from TechLeap company. Then we got idea about robot coding and attachments from Creator Academy. Then we have fun. We celebrated each mission that worked and we had a lot of fun. Teamwork. All of us work as a team to see that each mission is well performed, and we also work as a team to come up with this our innovation project. Then
should be impact now, right?
okay, yes, impact. Holograms are used to teach complex subjects in classes like physics. Then holograms, they are used to develop smart mirrors, which help you to locate anywhere, or maybe you have never gone to that place before. It can help you to locate that place. Like one of my teachers, he told me that he was not able to go for his presentation in Nasarawa. Then he asked somebody to present it for him. But that person could not present it exactly the way he could present it and explain to their understanding. He could not even explain a particular symbol he put on the presentation. But with the use of hologram can help him. It can just display and explain everything to them using hologram. Then we impact this our extension. It looks like a bulldozer, and it performed up to 6 missions on our table. And this one, to me, I think this extension, it can be used in part of mining. Maybe some miners, they are mining something from the ground. They can use this extension to bring out something from the ground. And that is all. Thank you.
Yes, that is good. That is a nice presentation. So now, with regard to impact of this innovation project. You have said something about physics. The only physics that we use hologram for in education. At least give me 2. Let me see in education.
We can also use in chemistry, maybe to show chemicals. Maybe the students have enough chemicals. They can show it using 3D and more like biology. We can show maybe the teacher wants to explain on maybe kidney. It can show maybe the signal section of the kidney or the heart using hologram.
That is good. That is one again. Now, can you just mention any missions here? I need to keep mentioning missions that are here.
We have light show, we have sound mixer, we have hologram performer, we have concert light and sound, we have immersive experience, we have craft creator, we have rolling camera, movie set, 3D cinema, then theater scene change.
Now, can you be able to point to exactly which project did you develop here? You come here. Tell me, which of the projects here that you have developed that is hologram? That is a hologram. Good. He has a mirror, right?
Yes, and its name is hologram performer.
Hologram performer. Yeah, is that one right?
Yes.
Are you okay? Thank you.
My name is My name is I'm here to talk about our core. First of all, I'm going to start with our discovery. We discovered that online and incredible technology that was fascinating for decades. Hologram is a image created with the use of laser light technology. It gives illusion and depth and capability. For example, now there are many uses of hologram. For example, doctors use hologram to check